In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change paragraph spacing in Figma. Figma is a collaborative interface design tool that's incredibly popular among designers for its ease of use and powerful features. Changing paragraph spacing is a simple yet essential task that allows you to control the readability and overall aesthetic of your text in your designs. Let's dive into the steps to adjust your paragraph spacing effortlessly. First, you'll want to go to the Figma website. Open your favorite web browser and type in figma.com. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the home page. Click on this and enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't already have an account with Figma, you can quickly create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Figma homepage. On the homepage, you should see a section dedicated to your most recent projects and files. Navigate towards the Design tab. This is where all the magic happens. Clicking on Design will take you into the Work part of Figma, where you can create new designs or modify existing ones. Now that you are inside the design interface, locate the text layer you want to modify. If you're starting from scratch, you can create a new text box by selecting the text tool from the toolbar, or by simply pressing the T key. Click to place the text box on your canvas and type in your desired text. Once you have your text set up, look over to the right side of the interface. Here you'll find the typography section. This section controls all things related to text formatting, such as font size, weight, line height, and more. To adjust paragraph spacing, click on the typesetting drop-down under typography. This is where a lot of the text customization options are housed. Now scroll down until you find paragraph spacing. This specific feature allows you to adjust the space between paragraphs in your text box, giving you control over how congested or airy your text blocks appear. Clicking on paragraph spacing will let you enter a specific value. This value represents the extra space added after each paragraph in your text box. Experiment with different values to see what looks best for your particular design. And that's it, you've successfully changed the paragraph spacing in Figma. Remember, the right spacing can make a big difference in how your text is perceived, affecting both aesthetics and readability. Feel free to play around with different settings until you find the perfect balance for your design. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching.